So we are doing stone out here, these two walls, metal, and then metal. This is at a slope. We've got two scuppers, and we are going to do TPO. We're going to create a little small cricket here, kind of level it out a little bit. Then we're going to do the TPO. And actually for our deck board, we're going to do a 2.5 R value, half-inch, high compressive strength board that's like a high compressive strength rigid foam, then TPO, and then we're going to do some rain screen underneath it to kind of help level it out a little bit more, and then synthetic turf. And then over here we've got 4 skylights. We've got some dense deck down. We've got Zip R3 underneath this, so we already have continuous thermal break. And then 4 skylights. We're going to do the Facro brand, and we're doing some TPO. We have some nice crickets. And we ultimately determined that at this gable right here, we're going to guide our water down to this roof so that we avoid guiding all the water down here right in front of the door, where it's going to be a lot harder to get it to dry out. And that allows us to kind of do a lower profile cricket over here. And it was pretty complicated to figure this out, but I think it's going to be cool. And this has this TPO. We're going to put down a white pebble ballast of white limestone and those Facro skylights.